Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to change your profile picture on the Messenger app using your PC. With the latest updates, updating your avatar has never been easier. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Messenger app on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats and conversations. Now take a look at the left side menu where you'll find your profile picture. Click on it to proceed. Next, after clicking your profile picture, a menu will appear. Select Preferences, and then look for the option that says Your Photo. This will take you to the page where you can manage your profile picture. On the next page, click on your current profile photo. This action will prompt you to change your image. Look for the button that says Choose Profile Picture. Now, it's time to select a new image. You can browse through your files or choose from images already uploaded to your Messenger account. Once you've found the perfect picture, click on it to select it. Finally, confirm your choice by following the on-screen prompts. Your new profile picture will be set and it will update across all your conversations on Messenger. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on the Messenger app. Keeping your profile updated is a great way to express yourself and stay connected with friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.